Hi, this video will show you the steps how to replace this keyboard. This is the Lenovo S110 netbook. The first steps to replace the keyboard of this laptop is release the battery. Hold this key to the left side and you can take out this battery. The next step is release these three screws using the screwdriver like this. Just 3 screws, and then take out this keyboard like this. Unplug the flexible cable and then plug the new or install the new keyboard of this laptop. To install this keyboard, plug the flexible cable for first. Hold this side and reassemble or replug the screw. And finally plug the battery and finish. Now this Lenovo S110 laptop equipped by the new keyboard. Okay, this is about keyboard replacement of this netbook Lenovo S110. I hope this video will help you and thank you for watching.